Okay, today will be the first official trade recap video. The format I want to use, I want to show you guys my daily bias, and then the conditions I want to see to take a trade, the trade itself and its confluences, and then the live trade. If it's a short live trade, then I'll show you the full video, and if it's a longer one like it was on Friday, about 20 to 25 minutes, then I will show you the entry, maybe some heat intake, and then the exit here. So Friday, November 22nd, 2024, I took a short on NQ to London lows and equal lows. It ended up being a TP1 break even, and scoring about like $500 on this trade here. So firstly, I hop into the hourly because I wanted to see what these sessions did, right? Because I want to get my daily bias by using daily profiles here, right? So as you can see, nothing sponsored this big move up here, right? London didn't tap into any higher time frame key level, no higher time frame PDRA, nothing sponsored this move. So therefore, I want to see us trade back to London lows, which so happen to be equal lows, right? Just giving me stronger confluence for shorts here. So then we can hop just into the 1 minute here. Back to the 1 minute here. Come market open, we had two sets of equal highs. We have equal highs here. We had equal highs here, and we had an unfilled 15 above, right? So if I want shorts, what I want to see happen at market open, I want to see us manipulate higher, taking out buy side liquidity, filling that imbalance, and then having that delivery to take a short here. So what does market open do, right? We manipulate higher, taking out two sets of equal highs and filling that imbalance. So everything is lining up with all of my conditions, right? I want to see buy side liquidity swap. I want to see us manipulate higher into a higher time frame PD array, this 15-minute bearish fair value gap. So we're getting all of that. This is looking really, really good for shorts because now we have an unfilled 1 hour, two sets of equal lows, and our final draw being London lows here, because the daily profile was a London Judas New York reversal, bearish daily profile here. So all of our conditions are met. So now I'm looking for a value gap to get inversed, specifically the higher time frame, which is this 2 minute, right? 2 minutes, the highest time frame in this leg. So once it got inversed, I'd be looking to enter, then targeting London lows and equal lows here. So I wanted a good close, not obviously the best close here, super discounted close, because I wanted to break even at the internal low and hope for the rest here. So I wanted a little retest, but this was a really strong bearish candle, so I didn't want for it to leave us. So I didn't wait for the full retest. I kind of waited for us to get a decently little retest here, nothing too big, but entered off here and held the rest here. So this is what almost a 1-to-2 risk to reward. It stops at the high, which is also a SMT at the highs, right, with the yes. So just even more bearish confluence here. Since it was still super deep and I was super confident, had a lot of conviction in the daily profile and London lows and how every condition just was met for an A+ setup, I ended up moving my conditions for break even, right? I wanted to break even at the unfold 1 hour now here. So we entered the position here, took a lot of heat. Obviously, you can see almost did get stopped out here, but our stop loss placement ended up saving us here, or not really saving us, just good stop loss placement at the highs here. So was in some heat for a good long while, but we ended up hitting that unfilled 1 hour where I did move to break even here. And obviously still not moving my take profit at London lows and equal lows, but obviously you can see got caught up in a lot of chop here. Obviously super frustrating, but ES did end up taking London lows. That means we have an SMT with ES, which means we can have a possible then push up, which is exactly what we did. So I was looking to get out of this trade at a 1-to-1 right here, at a 1-to-1. My 1-to-1 was probably literally around here. You're going to see in the live video here. So I was just waiting for us to get a 1-to-1. Then I'll move stop, guaranteeing that 1-to-1, guaranteeing that 500 there. So obviously was in a lot of chop, and I already moved break even, so it was a risk-free trade. So I was like really hoping we wouldn't just go hit break even, being super close to like especially these equal lows and just the draw here. So ended up once ES took out London lows, I was looking to close the trade at a 1-to-1, which we did eventually finally get that good like down here. So I just trailed stop. Once we got here to that 1-to-1, and then it just ended up breaking even, and it does save me because then we pumped NQ, pumped out, eventually taking up all these highs, and then continuing higher. So it was a perfect trade, and it was a W trail there. So now I will show you the live trade here, and the live trade will just end the video there. So, let me know what you guys think.
For the unfilled 1 hour, what it's like Scott.
The unfilled 1 hour is how many ticks? 179. I might just move it low key right to when we hit the unfilled 1 hour.
Break even at the unfilled 1 hour.
What do you think?
For my entry, it's 140. It'll be 140 ticks for our.
I had my thing at London lows. Yeah, you just want. Yeah, okay, yeah. We'll break even, and yeah, I mean, if we can hit that 1-to-1, then we hit that 1-to-1 there.
Ready.
Fuck, I might have to, do I want to trail stop at this resweep of this? Oh, I'm moving it.
Oh.
I'm trailing it. 484, 490, done.